Two people at the gym lifting identical 45-pound dumbbells. One sees dramatic muscle growth in 3 months. The other trains for 6 months with barely noticeable changes. Same weight, same gym, completely different results. What's the hidden factor that separates success from stagnation? The answer lies in speed. Exercise tempo, to be precise. Groundbreaking research in exercise physiology has revealed a shocking truth. The same weight lifted at different speeds can create up to 300% difference in muscle growth rates. This isn't about lifting heavier anymore. This is about unlocking the hidden variable that transforms ordinary workouts into muscle-building machines. The secret language your muscles speak. Your muscles contain two distinct types of fibers. Fast-twitch fibers built for explosive power, and slow-twitch fibers designed for endurance. Here's what most people never realize. The speed of your lift determines which fiber type gets activated. Lift explosively and you're primarily recruiting fast-twitch fibers. These powerhouses generate tremendous force but fatigue quickly. Move slowly and deliberately, and you're targeting slow-twitch fibers. These endurance specialists can sustain contractions for extended periods. Tokyo University's Sports Science Institute conducted a remarkable 12-week study. Two groups trained with identical 25-pound weights. The explosive group increased strength by 35%. The slow group improved muscular endurance by 45%. Same weight, completely different adaptations. What explosive speed does to your muscles? When you lift weight explosively, something extraordinary happens inside your muscle fibers. Your nervous system activates with incredible intensity. The electrical signals from your brain to your muscles amplify by 200 to 300%. Compared to normal lifting speeds, this massive neural activation awakens dormant high-threshold motor units. These are the muscle fibers that normally stay asleep during everyday activities. When they fire together, you're recruiting significantly more muscle tissue simultaneously. Protein synthesis rates skyrocket after explosive training. Research shows that for 6 hours post-workout, muscle protein synthesis increases by 200% compared to baseline levels. This directly translates to accelerated muscle growth. But explosive training comes with a catch. Injury risk increases dramatically when joints and connective tissues face sudden force spikes. Your technique must be flawless to harness this power safely. The magic of slow motion training. Slow lifting creates entirely different muscle adaptations. Extended time under tension produces a blood flow restriction effect inside working muscles. Scientists call this occlusion, and it creates an incredibly powerful growth environment. During slow contractions, increasing muscle pressure temporarily compresses capillaries. Your muscles enter a hypoxic state, starved of oxygen. This oxygen debt triggers massive growth signals that wouldn't occur during normal speed lifting. Slow training also increases mitochondrial density in muscle fibers. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of muscle cells. More mitochondria means better endurance and faster recovery between workouts. The metabolic stress from slow lifting activates different growth pathways. While explosive training primarily stimulates mechanical tension, slow training maximizes metabolic stress and cellular swelling, both crucial for hypertrophy. The science of optimal speed combinations. Which speed produces better results? The answer is both. Cutting-edge research demonstrates that combining explosive and slow speeds within the same workout produces superior results to using either speed exclusively. Here's the precise formula that works. Start your first set explosively. 1 second up, 2 seconds down. This maximally activates your nervous system and primes all subsequent sets for enhanced effectiveness. Switch to slow tempo for sets 2 and 3. 3 seconds up, 3 seconds down. This extends time under tension and creates the metabolic stress necessary for growth signaling. Return to explosive speed for your final set. This breakthrough technique allows you to punch through nervous system fatigue and stimulate muscle fibers until the very last repetition. Muscle-specific speed strategies. Different muscles respond optimally to different speeds. Chest muscles, being large and predominantly slow twitch, respond exceptionally well to slower tempos. Research indicates that a 3 to 4 second lowering phase maximizes pectoral growth. Shoulder muscles tell a different story. The anterior deltoids contain more fast twitch fibers and respond better to explosive movements. A 1 to 2 tempo proves most effective for shoulder development. Lower body muscles follow yet another pattern. For squats and deadlifts, explosive concentric phases combined with controlled eccentric phases produce optimal results. This approach maximizes both power development and muscle growth. Arm muscles show the highest sensitivity to speed variations. Biceps respond best to slow eccentrics with 4-second lowering phases. Triceps prefer faster concentrics with explosive pressing movements. Hidden effects of speed manipulation. Exercise speed influences far more than just muscle size. Explosive training significantly increases bone density. Rapid force changes stimulate osteoblasts, the cells responsible for bone formation. Slow training dramatically improves joint stability. Extended contraction times activate smaller, stabilizing muscles that support major joints. This enhanced stability reduces injury risk in daily activities. Metabolic impacts differ substantially too. Explosive training elevates post-exercise oxygen consumption for 24 to 48 hours. Your metabolism stays elevated long after leaving the gym. Hormonal responses vary by speed as well. Explosive movements trigger greater growth hormone and testosterone release. Slow training stimulates more IGF-1, a crucial muscle growth factor. Finding your personal optimal speed. Not everyone responds identically to the same lifting speeds. Your genetic muscle fiber composition, training, experience, and nervous system efficiency create individual variations. Test your fiber type composition with this simple method. Use 80% of your maximum weight and count maximum repetitions. More than 12 reps suggests slow twitch dominance. Fewer than 8 reps indicates fast twitch prevalence. Training experience matters enormously. Beginners benefit most from slower speeds initially. This develops proper movement patterns, while building muscle nervous system coordination safely. Experienced lifters must periodically vary their speeds. Sticking to one tempo creates adaptation plateaus that halt progress completely. Advanced speed manipulation techniques. Cluster sets represent a sophisticated approach. Break traditional sets into mini sets with brief rests between. Instead of 10 continuous reps, perform 3 reps, rest 15 seconds, repeat. This maintains explosive speed throughout the entire set. Contrast training pairs heavy, slow movements with light explosive ones immediately afterward. This neurological potentiation amplifies the effectiveness of subsequent exercises. Tempo pyramids involve starting extremely slow, progressing to normal speed, and finishing explosively within the same workout. This stimulates all possible muscle adaptations in a single session. Variable resistance training changes speed mid-repetition. Start slow, accelerate through the middle range, then decelerate at the top. This challenges muscles differently throughout their range of motion. Recovery strategies based on speed. Exercise speed affects recovery requirements significantly. Explosive training creates substantial nervous system fatigue, requiring 48 to 72 hours between sessions targeting the same muscles. Slow training primarily fatigues muscle tissue, needing only 24 to 48 hours recovery. Sleep quality differs too. Explosive training days increase growth, hormone release during deep sleep stages. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep after high-speed sessions. Nutrition timing should match your speed strategy. After explosive workouts, consume fast-absorbing proteins within 30 minutes. Following slow-tempo sessions, slower digesting proteins work more effectively. Breaking through plateaus with speed. Most lifters hit plateaus after 3 to 6 months of consistent training. Speed manipulation provides one of the most effective plateau breaking strategies available. If you've been lifting at normal speeds, spend 2 weeks focusing exclusively on explosive movements. This novel neural stimulus can restart stalled progress dramatically. Conversely, if you're accustomed to fast lifting, Try ultra-slow training. Take 10 seconds to lift and 10 seconds to lower. This creates unprecedented muscle tension that your body has never experienced. Environmental factors and speed optimization. Temperature affects optimal lifting speeds. Warmer muscles respond better to explosive movements. Colder environments favor slower, more controlled tempos until muscles reach operating temperature. Time of day influences speed effectiveness too. Explosive training works best during peak nervous system hours, typically late morning to early afternoon. Slow training can be effective anytime, even when tired. If this video revolutionized your understanding of muscle building, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Like this video if you discovered valuable insights, and share it with anyone serious about maximizing their training results.